What if I told you your entire factory could run without touching a single machine? Imagine testing a full production line, fixing its faults, and boosting output, all before building it. Every second of downtime costs thousands, but what if you could stop failures before they happen? Digital twins in industrial automation, the future of smart factories by Industrial Automation and Solutions. Welcome to Industrial Automation and Solutions, where innovation intertwines with industry. Today, we delve into a powerful technology reshaping the future: digital twins in industrial automation. Section 1. What is a digital twin? A digital twin serves as a virtual counterpart to a physical system, such as a machine, production line, or even an entire factory. It integrates sensors, PLCs, and IoT devices to deliver real-time monitoring, simulation, and optimization. Section 2. Importance of digital twins in automation. Dashboard displaying live data flowing into a 3D factory model. Digital twins are revolutionizing automation in several ways. Continuous monitoring of machines and processes, predictive maintenance to prevent unexpected downtime, improving processes by testing enhancements virtually, training and safety, allowing engineers to practice without engaging real equipment. Section 3. Real-world applications. Global leaders harness the power of digital twins. Siemens utilizes them for turbines and smart factories. Tesla develops a digital twin for every vehicle on the road. GE employs this technology to oversee jet engines and power plants. Section 4. Essential skills for engineers. For today's automation engineers, digital twins pave the way for new career opportunities. Key skills include IoT platforms and edge computing, data analytics, and machine learning, integration of PLC, SCADA with cloud systems, tools for simulation and digital modeling. Section 5. Our support: Industrial Automation and Solutions. At Industrial Automation and Solutions, we assist industries in embracing smart automation by integrating digital twins, IoT, and next-generation control systems. We also prepare engineers for the future. Digital twins are now a reality. They empower today's and tomorrow's factories. Engineers skilled in this technology will spearhead the next industrial revolution. Are you prepared? Subscribe to our channel for further insights, tutorials, and automation trends, and suggestions will be encouraged for related topics. If your company seeks a reliable automation partner, reach out to Industrial Automation and Solutions today. Thank you for watching. The future belongs to the bold, the curious, and the interconnected.